Next one. I want you to notice this all week long. The drunk monkey has an opinion on everything, including everything it knows nothing about. Have you ever noticed that? Oh, God. Hear that? Look at, I mean, spray, right? He's got, did you see that, guys? I mean, he's got his divining rods. I mean, what is this? Like the freak place? You know, like, if they were as lightened as I was, they would know that no spray is going to... Right? You know nothing about it. You've had no conversations about it. You haven't gained any evidence. You haven't gone to... You come from a place of, I know, and I know that I know, and I know that you definitely do not know. Because I am the biggest silverback gorilla in the pack, and I will populate the planet with my seed. Oh! Right? Aren't we doing that?
Yeah. We do.
Turn to the person next to you and just go, ooh, 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 ooh. Right? Give it up. Thank you, drunk monkey.